In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mine in Smartsheet. The min function is a simple but powerful way to find the smallest value in a set of cells. You might use it to identify the lowest cost, the shortest duration, or even the earliest date in a project. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently using the built-in formula tools in Smartsheet. Start by opening the sheet that contains your data. Make sure you're in the right place and that the values you want to analyze are already entered. Next, click the cell where you want the result to appear. This is the destination cell, and it's where Smartsheet will display the smallest value once the formula is set up. Now look to the toolbar and click the Formula option to open the Formula panel on the right. In that panel, search for or type min. You'll see the min function description, which confirms it returns the smallest numeric value from a list or range. Select min so Smartsheet knows which function you intend to use. With the function chosen, it's time to select the cells you want to include. Click and drag across the range in your sheet to highlight the values you want min to check. You can select a single column, a block of rows, or even a few separate areas if needed. If your data includes a column header or labels, avoid selecting those. Stick to the cells that actually contain numbers or dates. Min works great with numbers, and it also works with dates by returning the earliest date in the range. If your range includes blank cells or text, those are ignored. But mixing data types unintentionally can lead to confusion, so it's best to select a clean, consistent set of cells. Once your range is selected, click Apply in the right panel. Smartsheet will insert the formula into the destination cell and immediately calculate the result. From now on, if the values in that range change, the min result updates automatically. If you need to adjust the range later, just click back into the cell, open the formula panel again, and update your selection. A few quick tips as you work. If you see an unexpected result, check that the selected cells contain valid numbers or dates. Zeros are valid numbers and will be considered by min. If you're tracking dates, remember that the earliest date is the minimum. And if you ever need to format the result, for example, as currency or a date, use the formatting options without changing the formula itself. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, choose the destination cell, open the formula panel, type min, select your cells, and hit Apply.